busy work here, I think the hardest part of this one is identifying it. So a couple of examples are copying and pasting stuff. I see that all the time. It has to go from one system to another. Moving data, same kind of thing. If we have a one deal, I see so many companies that will take that deal data, that information, and then move it manually into a spreadsheet, and then take it from a spreadsheet and move it into a project management system, and then take it from the project management system and then move it into a client brief. Like, whew, there's so much time. And we used to have to do that, but we don't anymore. Assignments and status changes, all the things when managing projects or getting reports, all that little stuff. I used to think the same way. I would look at that and go, why would I build an automation that might take me 15 minutes to build or 20 minutes or an hour when it's only solving something that takes a second to do? But the reality is, and I've done this over and over and over again, the reality is those seconds add up so quickly, especially as you have more and more people on your team. And if something is forgotten, oh, I forgot to assign that. I forgot to set the date. I forgot to update the status. I forgot to do X. I forgot to do Y. Doesn't matter what it is. That bottlenecks your operations. That bottlenecks your procedures, your workflows, all of those. I should have done that, but I forgot, or I did it wrong. I made a mistake. I assigned the wrong person. All of those things are far more detrimental than the second that it took to do it. And when you can eliminate both of those, all that little bit of time that adds up and all those potential areas that can bog your workflows and your systems down, and you just have it happen automatically, then all of a sudden it becomes this nice, well-oiled machine where things just chug along, and the team knows, hey, if I, win a deal, all of this is going to happen. If I move it to this next stage, then the assignments, the subtasks, all of this is going to happen. I don't have to copy and paste data anymore. I don't have to have any potential errors. So this is just one of those areas where I think it feels little, but once it propagates around your team, it becomes so big.